Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to use day field in WPF forms. It allows you to track days, determine the age of customer based on their birthday, and any other calculation related to date. Join us in this video. We've installed and activated the plugin in previous video, so we skip that part. Let's start by creating a form. Add day fields. Add calculator field. We will type the formula. You can visit the document to see. Or when you type, suggested formulas will appear. Then we choose the field accordingly. Similarly, we will create 2 more fields to calculate days and months. It ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.